Hello, and welcome to this UTMC tutorial. Let's show you around some parts of the admin account. Up top to the right you have the ability to change your account's avatar by clicking Upload Avatar. If you don't want to change your avatar, you can also leave the avatar with the default initials like it is here. In this right corner is the Logout button, which takes you back to the login page. The left bar is sort of the main menu, where you will be able to find sections of information stored in these categories. You can collapse this menu by clicking here, in order to see more of the main screen. The right bar here acts as a shortcut for filtering the due dates of the action items. This gives a quick overview for the number of action items that are due in the past, present, and future, making it easier to be aware of deadlines. To collapse this sidebar, we can simply press this arrow on top. On the admin dashboard page we have all of the action items. Each action item can have a summary, employer, subcategory, due dates, analyst, created dates, and status. You can use these tabs above to filter this data, making it easier to sort and search for action items quickly. Here we can also choose the number of entries we see per page, whether is it sorted or unsorted. That's all for now. Our next video will be about the Create button on the admin dashboard page. Thanks for watching.